fair is always an awesome fair to come to. And all right, say hello from up top the landing ramp. We get from the audience, the more you're going to see these riders do. So they're just getting these bikes more on the headwind for them. So hand your lander all the way. Fender kiss with a big whip to the left, all the way. Yeah, he was getting off too low. Here goes Jarrett. Double can off the side of the bike. And that's what keeps him safe. A little bit of a lazy boy going on. Shaolin bar hop. Yeah! Little knack. You got nowhere to go. Superman off the bar. Huge whip to the left. That's called a whoa! Ah, now! Yeah! Yeah, that was pretty good. That was almost right. Here we go! Yeah! Oh my gosh, Bear, I don't know. That's a big trick to try and beat, folks. J.R. Wasney throwing down the biggest, fattest whip he can do. Yeah! Yeah! Just so everybody isn't left out, the lovely ladies from Pro Rider Freestyle, they got a little something as well. And they're gonna pass out a few little things too. Yeah, J.R.'s eager to ride. Let's get this show on the road. You ready to get back with the show, folks? Here we go! Lazy boy! Another KOD for Jared Crumps. A stripper! They call it up! A fender kiss. Big ol' heel clicker, double heel clicker. What do I got loud right now? You want to see some? Turn it up to 10. Right downtown. There we go, Mr. Jared Crump, all the way around, doing one of the most dangerous tricks. Try to jump as close together as they can, which means if one rider goes down, they both go down. And here we go. Not only to try and get even closer. Yeah. All right.